Yo, what's up, Credit Squad? Let's talk about building credit. You know, that magical number that unlocks the doors to better financial opportunities. But, with countless options out there, it can be a total maze trying to figure out what's legit and what's just noise. Today, we're diving deep into Chime. Is it the real deal for building your credit? Let's break it down. First off, let's get real about credit. It's basically your financial report card. Lenders look at it to decide if you're trustworthy with money. Good credit means better interest rates on loans, credit cards, and even apartments. But building credit can feel like climbing Mount Everest without a Sherpa. So, enter Chime, claiming to be your credit building sidekick. Now, Chime offers a credit builder account. It's like a piggy bank that reports to the credit bureaus. You deposit your cash, and Chime reports your on-time payments as a credit line. Sounds good, right? But is it too good to be true? Let's dissect this thing. The pros? No credit check to open the account. That's a major plus for credit newbies. Also, you're essentially saving money while building credit. And Chime reports to all three major credit bureaus, which is a good sign. But let's talk about the cons. There's no interest earned on your deposits. It's basically a forced savings account. Plus, you don't get a physical card to use for purchases. It's all about those on-time payments. And, remember, building credit takes time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. So, is Chime a safe way to build credit? It can be. If you're disciplined, patient, and can resist the urge to touch your money, it's a solid option. But it's not a magic wand. You still need to practice good financial habits. Here's the deal. Chime can be a stepping stone, but it's not the final destination. Once you've built up some credit, you might want to explore other options like secured credit cards or even unsecured cards with better rewards. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency and smart financial choices. Don't get caught up in quick fixes or shady schemes. Focus on building a solid foundation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling and building that credit score.